NAZATUL AMIRAH binti Masri. Today, I will share with you how I will solve my problem. So, my problem is I want to prepare lunch, but I forget to defrost my chicken. Then, I remember that my microwave can help me to solve my problem. Now, I will show you the process to defrost chicken. Okay, now this is a frozen chicken. Then you wrap it, put it in microwave.
A few minutes later.
So now, time to open it. So, look. Okay, later I will explain to you the theory. Okay, now I will explain how microwave works. So, basically, microwave is an electric oven that heats and cooks food by exposing it to electromagnetic radiation in the microwave frequency range. This induces polar molecules in the food to rotate and produce thermal energy in a process known as dielectric heating. Microwave ovens heat food quickly and efficiently because excitation is fairly uniform in the outer 25 to 38 mm of a homogeneous high water content food item. Then I will tell you the theory of defrosting using microwave. Microwave heating is more efficient on liquid water than on frozen water, where the movement of molecules is more restricted. Defrosting is done at a low power setting, allowing time for conduction to carry heat to still frozen parts of food. Dielectric heating of liquid water is also temperature dependent. At 0 degrees Celsius, dielectric loss is greatest at a field frequency of about 10 GHz and for higher water temperature at higher field frequency. A higher wattage power of microwave will result in faster cooking times. Here, a simulation of electric field inside a microwave oven for the first 8 nanoseconds of operation. After listening to the explanation, I have one question to you guys. So the question is it safe to defrost chicken using microwave frequently? So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.